What about it? This is a lawn that is in a terrible state. It's covered in moss, weeds, lichen. It's bad. It's really, really bad, and it needs a reset. We will be killing it off and starting again. I will show you each step. We strip off the old lawn, seed it, and top dress it. Watch it until the end to find out how it turns out. This is the first step, removing the old lawn. We do this by a process called scarification. We killed this lawn off 2 weeks before we started this project. I'm going to take some samples just out of different parts of the garden just to show you what it's like and why we decided to go with the lawn replacement. You can just see that thatch layer there, and that's what we're going to have to remove. We're going to have to go down through that, and then we're going to soil over the top. We're just doing a refresh. So that means we can kill all the weeds, we can rip out all the moss, we can rip out all the thatch, and we can put in a new lawn for them good to go. If you're enjoying this video, if you could hit the like button down below, just go ahead and smash it and subscribe for more videos like this. As you can see, we have done 2 passes over the lawn. We've taken loads out, we've cleaned it all up. We're going to get the scarifier out and we're going to go over it another 2 times and then lift it and see where we're at then. This is cheaper than returfing a lawn and gives you a much better choice on the type of grass that is in your new lawn. It is effectively tailor-made for each garden. We are now on the 4th pass. It takes a lot of work to strip off the old lawn. So that's done 4 times. Gonna run over it another couple of times, maybe see what it's like. Danny's gonna start aerating soon as well. Let's get on with that now. Aeration is key as it relieves compaction in the lawn. We've now removed the old lawn and we're ready to start the seeding. On this lawn we're going to be seeding it with a dwarf rye and a red fescue. This is going to give the lawn a real luxury feel and will make for an excellent lawn. We are top dressing the lawn with a specialist soil mixture. It is important to cover the new seed with a thin layer of soil. Grass seed can grow if not covered, but it is beneficial to add a layer of compost or topsoil over the top of the seed to keep it moist and to help with germination. A quick tip would be just to add a thin layer over the top and not to smother it. The next step is to use this tool. It's called a drag mat. It does 2 things. It levels the soil and it ensures good soil to seed contact that is essential for seed germination. If you want to find out the best way to grow grass from seed, make sure that you watch the video at the end of this video. We tested 5 different methods and documented every step of the way, from the seed germinating to 30 days later. After we get the lawn levelled out, the next step is to apply a seaweed tonic and a fertiliser. I will leave a link in the video description where you can pick up the domestic versions of the products we use in this video. Our next step in this lawn renovation, we're going to use some of this fleece to cover the lawn to get it off to a good start. We're into the latter half of September. Usually you don't see me using fleece, but you never really know when the temperatures are going to drop. So we want to get the lawn off to a good start, and this is going to help get the seed established before autumn really kicks in. So let's get on with that now. The fleece or the cover that we put on top of the lawn keeps the soil warm and it speeds up and aids germination. It helps keep weed seeds from blowing onto the lawn and it retains moisture. We will be back in a couple of weeks to remove the cover. Make sure to watch the end of the video to see the lawn transformed. So that's the sheet lifted up. There is some small gaps in the lawn, but these will grow in, as you'll see very shortly. Check out this video next on the best way to grow grass from seed and what you should use to cover it to get the best results.